If you're over 60, a recent discovery has turned common muscle loss advice on its head. For years, we've been told the answer to staying strong is simple: eat protein and stay active. But a quiet crisis is unfolding, even among those who follow this advice perfectly. People who walk daily, eat well, and do all the right things are still watching their strength fade, their steps shorten, and their independence slip away. Why is this happening? The breakthrough came from long-term research where scientists observed a startling pattern. They found that typical muscle loss in older adults is due to just about a lack of protein or exercise. A deeper, more hidden mechanism is at work. This revelation led to a simple, powerful question. What if the true key to preserving muscle was already in your kitchen, overlooked and undervalued? In studies involving adults aged 60 to 85, a shift in diet focusing on specific, accessible foods dramatically changed the game. The results were undeniable. Participants who included these targeted items saw their rate of muscle decline slow by over 70% compared to those following standard nutritional guidelines. This isn't about a magic pill or a complicated regimen. It's about understanding how everyday foods can activate your body's natural ability to rebuild. And today, we're revealing the top 5. But which food ranks number 1, and are you eating it the most effective way? Stay until the end to find out. The top 5 muscle-building foods. Number 5. Fatty fish, the inflammation fighter. Fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fats. These powerful nutrients do something remarkable for aging muscles. They help your body use protein more efficiently. Research from leading institutions indicates that combining omega-3 intake with light strength training can boost strength gains significantly in older individuals. It also calms chronic inflammation, a silent force behind muscle breakdown. Aim for 2 servings a week. Number 4. Cottage cheese, the overnight sentinel. Cottage cheese is a superstar for nighttime nutrition. Its main protein, casein, digests slowly, providing a steady stream of muscle-building fuel while you sleep. A study from a major Canadian university showed that older adults consuming casein before bed built more lean muscle and recovered better. Choose a low-sodium version and add some fruit for extra nutrients. Number 3. Lentils, the plant-powered repair crew. Don't overlook the humble lentil. Packed with magnesium and plant-based protein, it directly supports muscle function and tissue repair. Magnesium ensures proper muscle contraction, while the protein supplies the raw materials for recovery. Add them to soups, salads, or make a hearty spread. Number 2. Leafy greens, the nitrate advantage. Dark greens like spinach and kale contain natural nitrates. These compounds help your muscles work more efficiently, using oxygen better so you can move with more power and less exhaustion. Think of it as upgrading your body's engine. Adding a handful to a daily meal is a simple, potent strategy. Number 1. The incredible egg, the leucine powerhouse. This brings us to the number 1 food that researchers point to for fighting muscle loss after 60. Drumroll, please. The top spot goes to the incredible egg. Why does this common food take the crown? It's all about leucine. This specific amino acid is the master switch for telling your body to build muscle. A study in a leading nutrition journal found that leucine can help overcome anabolic resistance, the body's reduced ability to build muscle as we age. Starting your day with 2 eggs provides a powerful signal to kickstart muscle maintenance and repair. For best results, pair them with vegetables and combine this knowledge with consistent, gentle resistance training. Conclusion: strong muscles mean more than just power. They mean stability, confidence, and the freedom to live life on your terms. If this path to natural vitality resonated with you, please support our mission by giving this video a like. It helps the Healthy Lifestyle channel share more science-backed wisdom with you. For more insights that challenge the ordinary, make sure you subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle.